In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Kling AI. By the end, you'll be logged in and ready to explore the creative tools without any confusion. First, open your preferred web browser and go to klingai.com/global. This is the official global site for Kling AI. When the page loads, you'll see information about their next-generation AI creative studio. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct site and that the address bar shows the secure domain. Next, look for the Try It Now button. It's a clear call to action that takes you into the app experience. Click it. If you don't see the button right away, scroll a little or widen your browser window, as layout can shift on smaller screens. Using an up-to-date browser will help everything load smoothly. You'll be taken to the Kling AI app. On this page, find the Sign In option on the left side. Click Sign In to open the authentication panel. This tells Kling AI you're ready to connect your account and start using the platform. Now choose Sign In with Google. This is the quickest way to create and access your account. With this option, you don't need to set a separate password for Kling AI. You simply use your existing Google credentials. Clicking it will redirect you to Google's secure sign-in flow. On the Google account chooser, click the Google account you want to use with Kling AI. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one you'll consistently use for your creative projects. This helps keep your files and credits in one place. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, you may see your accounts listed automatically. After selecting your account, you'll see a Google consent screen. This page outlines the basic information that Kling AI will access, typically your name and email so it can create your profile. Review the details, and when you're comfortable, click Continue. This grants the necessary permissions for your Kling AI account to be set up. You'll be redirected back to the Kling AI app. Give it a moment to complete the handshake. You should now be signed in and ready to explore the interface. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh your browser or revisit klingai.com/global and the app should recognize your new session. If pop-up blockers interfered, temporarily allow the sign-in window and try again. That's it. You've successfully signed up for Kling AI using Google. Enjoy exploring the creative tools and have fun building your first project.